Hello. So, today, Sunday, and gonna do some shop work. And my focus today is to get my equipment winterized. I'm gonna use an air compressor and blow that out. We're expecting some freezing temps tonight, so I want to go ahead and make sure all my equipment, all my hoses, and everything is completely water free. This way I don't have no water expansion and break any of my tools. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drain this hose right here. This is the drain to my water tank. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to open up that valve. Then right here I have a valve to the tank and also a banjo quick connect right there. So what I'll do is I'll disconnect this right here, and then I will blow out the air line that goes to my pressure washer and have air come out the very end of that quick connect right here. My water hose over here, I'm going to simply blow out air through one end to drain it. And then my hose, I'm going to blow air through this. It's going to go through my entire hose right there. And then it's going to come out right there. As you can see, it has some splash rusty marks from the last time blowing out the air lines, blowing out the pressure lines. Then lastly, what I need to do, after I drain all the water out, I'm going to, whatever water is left in this tank, as you see it's right here, I'm still going to have some water above my bulkhead tank fitting, or sitting at just below it where I won't be able to drain it all. So this way I have to come in with the shop vacuum from the top of this and vacuum this water out. just finished blowing out all the hoses, blowing out the pressure washer, so I'm good to go for this freezing. Temps tonight, next couple days, good to go.